It doesn't matter if you pick a good stock. Anybody can do that. But when to enter the market is a whole different matter, and it will separate you from the amateur traders out there. When you learn to do that, you can create a smashing track record. Smashing is my new term. I've been mentoring a group of people over in Great Britain, and everything is, you smash it, girl, or that's a smashing trade. Personally, I like smashing it. And speaking of smashing, go out and smash the like button and subscribe to my channel and get trading tips every single week. My name is Maggie Roth. I started trading in the market back in the early 1970s. I remember my first stock I ever purchased. It was General Electric, and I purchased it right after they had a 2-for-1 split, and I held that stock for 6 years. Now, I did double my income, and I was hooked on trading. These days, I trade mostly options. Doubling my income doesn't take me 6 years anymore. I usually double my portfolio every 2 to 3 times a year. And I've been teaching others how to do this for the past decade with smashing results. Picking a decent stock to trade is good, but guys, it's only half of the battle. The other half of the battle is zeroing in on that precise moment to enter, and later the precise moment to exit the trade. That's when your profits really start piling up. Let me show you how I do it. I generally use a 3-month chart by the day to choose the ticker I want to trade. I'm looking for a number of things to all be in alignment. I want to see good volume traded every day. I want the price action movements for the past 3 months to be how I want for my trade. And I need to know, is the stock following the market or is it trading contrary to the market? I also look at the option chains. I want to see certain things there. I want to make sure there are weekly options available. I want the bid-ask spread to be fairly tight, and I want a normal implied volatility for that stock. Once I determine a stock is a go to trade, I now want to refine that precise moment when I enter the trade. Why? Because I want to maximize profits on every single trade I make. Before I show you, I work with hundreds of everyday traders just like you through all of these strategies and more every week at investingbuddies.com. And in September, I'm starting a deep dive into a daily trading adventure where I'll show you how you can double your account every quarter just like I do. You can sign up for Investing Buddies or the Double Account Trading Adventure at the links below. Step 1. On a 3-month chart by the day, note the general areas of support and resistance. This is where the price action generally reverses. And note that also these lines can be on a diagonal up or a diagonal down, as well as horizontal. There's nothing magical about these areas. The only reason they happen with so much precision is all the traders out there see it and they think, I should get in here or I should get out there because the price is about to reverse in my favor. The magic comes from everybody seeing the same areas and then trading. Don't fight it, just let the magic happen. Now we have pinpointed the most likely place to enter at support and resistance. It's time to further refine the moment to pull the plug and trade. To do this, I go to a 1-day chart by the minute. And again, I note where the support and resistance areas are for the day. They will help you target the timing of the trade. If you ask me, what is the one trait that every great trader has? I'm going to tell you, it's patience. Wait until all the stars align, and at that moment, you place your trade. I use what I call a line in the sand to define that moment. Here's an example of what I'm talking about. This is a trade I made on American Airlines not too long ago. On this trade, I wanted to buy a put because I thought the price was going to go down. I noted the support areas where the price just kept bouncing off of that same area. This is my line in the sand, or my decision point. What I was waiting for was the price action to drop below that line in the sand with a little volume spike. The volume spike is important. I entered the trade at the most opportune times, giving myself the best odds for a great trade. Thanks for joining me today. If you want even more trading strategies, you can sign up for my weekly webinar. You'll get my trade journals and insights into the market at investingbuddies.com on the link below. And if you want to jump in and learn exactly how I double my portfolio every quarter, you can sign up for Double Account Trading Adventure, where you'll get daily trade alerts. You'll trade with me live in a webinar every day. I explain what I'm thinking about, what I'm seeing coming up, and so much more. I can't even list it all. You can sign up at the link below, and I'll see you next week right here at Winning at Options Trading.